The Legal & General Growth Trust is an actively managed fund. It's focused on our 25 best ideas, and our aim is to beat the performance of the UK stock market. Well, we have a universe of over 300 companies to select from. So the 25 shares that we pick are our best ideas, and it's very different to an index fund which would own shares in all those companies in the index. But our process is to focus on companies that we feel have a competitive advantage, companies that have something different that makes them special. And really we want to get to understand those companies in depth. The way we do that is to utilise the fact that we are the biggest investor in the UK stock market. Therefore we have very good access to senior management teams, and we think that gives us an edge in terms of understanding and investing in those companies. The fund is constructed on a bottom-up basis, which means we focus on getting to understand the companies in great detail. We have over 100 company meetings each year with various potential investments. The fund is constructed by investing in companies in the blue chip FTSE 100 index, and that's roughly half the fund currently. But we also invest in riskier stocks in the mid-cap and also on the AIM market, which is a specialist market for smaller companies. We own shares in Cadbury Schweppes, which is a blue chip FTSE 100 name. And within the mid-cap, we own shares in Southern Cross Healthcare, which is the leading supplier of care homes for the elderly in the UK, and the company is clearly benefiting from strong demographic trends. The fund is invested in the UK stock market, which means it is subject to the fluctuations in market levels. That also means that the capital and income on the fund cannot be guaranteed, which may mean that they fall. The fund is invested in a number of small and mid-cap companies, and by virtue of the small number of holdings on the fund, it may be subject to high risk. Legal & General Growth Trust has a competitive advantage being managed by one of the UK's leading fund management groups. We have excellent access to company management. Since the fund was restructured in 2005, performance has been strong, although past performance is no guide to future performance. We have a strong process and a strong team investing in our highest conviction ideas. Legal & General Growth Trust is a unit trust which is designed as a medium to long-term investment, and therefore you should be looking to invest for at least 5 years.